Can I use DDR3L instead of DDR3? Short answer, sometimes, with checks. The key difference is voltage. DDR3 runs at 1.5 volts, DDR3L at 1.35 volts. Many DDR3L modules are dual voltage and will work in DDR3 slots, but confirm specs. Always check the RAM label and your motherboard manual for supported voltages. Some BIOS settings let you force voltage or enable low voltage support. Proceed carefully. Mixing DDR3 and DDR3L can cause instability, failed boots, or reduced lifespan. If modules are mixed, the motherboard typically sets the higher voltage for all sticks. That can force DDR3L to 1.5 volts, usually fine if the module lists compatibility. But non-dual DDR3L or older motherboards might not handle it. Risk exists. Upgrade checklist, match voltage, capacity, speed, and timings, and use match pairs when possible. Install steps, power down, ground yourself, align the notch, press until it clicks. Recommendation: prefer DDR3L if your system supports it. Otherwise, use matching DDR3 modules.